Congratulations, you have just found the channel Real World Audio, which is really special as it is about audio gear and self-development advice for those audiophiles and music lovers who want to get an authentic experience from their audio gear. So my aim, my goal in approaching audio gear is to give you uh, a means, an opportunity on how to go about equipment selection, etc., to reach an audio system that can connect you to music, where you can connect to the artist, and where it's all about the music, and it's not about the showy sound or making it as artificial as we can, or any other parameters which are not related specifically to the man and machine connection. Because here in music reproduction, we are looking at the man. In this case, we are looking at Claudio Arrau, my favorite pianist, and uh, and and the audio gear for me is my way of connecting to Claudio Arrau through the machine, which is my stereo recording, I mean my stereo equipment, and the recording that contains his playing. So that's the gist of my channel on how to put together a system like that. And about me, I am an audiophile. I've been an audiophile for 3 decades, and which means I've been pursuing putting together stereo systems for myself and also helping my friends as well, and my friends helping me too. And during my audio journey, I also had tremendous help from my audio friends, and also I was apprentice to Stu Ono of Audio Directions Hawaii, who is perhaps one of the most legendary golden ears ever to have lived. And those who know him, you know how special he was, and learning from him, and basically that was something truly special, and I learned from him so much that basically I created this channel to pass on that knowledge that he shared with me. And also this channel is to connect with like-minded audiophiles and music lovers, and and here we have a very active and very positive comments section. So I think in my videos, perhaps the most important part is the comment section. And if you are new, please do read the comment sections, because all the subscribers here, all of the audio friends, all of my audio friends worldwide, they just bring tremendous amount of knowledge and information, often correcting if I say something stupid, and it's really wonderful. And this video here, this little channel introduction, and also sharing the rules for the comment section is there to make sure to keep the comments alive and healthy. And to post in the comment section on this channel, you need to observe certain rules. And these rules are respect and beneficence. So basically, only comment if your comment is respectful. You must use non-violent communication while communicating. So please refrain from snarky comments. Please refrain from outcries and just involuntary, outburst. Of course, you might think, and probably you have a lot of things, lot of knowledge to bring to the table, but bring it in a civilized manner, bring it with your A game and not your A-hole game, okay? And here I'm showing this snarky photo of Einstein, and of course when he made this picture he made it as a challenge to the standards of society, but this channel is not about challenging the norms of the society, is not about breaking the rules, but it's about bringing your A game, bringing your violinist Einstein. If you don't know, this is Einstein too. He was an excellent violinist. Uh, and I would like you to be your violinist Einstein when you comment. And I thank you for that. So basically, I really recommend for everyone Marshall Rosenberg's Nonviolent Communication. It's really, really fantastic, but you don't have to do a PhD in that to comment here. Just follow this very simple rule. This is YouTube. There's no excuse for verbal abuse. So there's no crusading. So if someone has specific beliefs, for example, you believe only that everything has to be guided by measurement, or only solid state amplifiers are acceptable in your universe, or maybe only vinyl or only digital, then we are not consumers for your crusades here. Please do not bring on that type of attitude here, which is basically a closed-minded mindset and just about like a feel-good trip on the expense of everyone who hears you. Also, no snarky comments. If you want to share something, want to share your knowledge, please do it with respect and integrity befitting your standards, and do not degrade yourself to internet trolling style of communication. And by the way, so for those of you who received a link with this video, you have received this link because your post has been flagged as internet trolling. And in that case, I really urge you to watch your language and check how you express yourself, because you have been pre-qualified as an internet troll. And the problem is not with your knowledge, not what you share, but it is how you share it. Don't stick out your tongue in a figurative manner, because there's no excuse for verbal abuse. Be respectful, as I said, non-violent communication, no degradatory comments, and just be respectful, mindful, and that is the form of expression that is allowed here. And I really don't want to go into anyone's crusades. I don't want to do snarky battles with anyone, and I certainly don't want to deal with internet trolls either. And none of those who use the comment section want to deal with any of these attitudes. We are only interested in civilized forms of human contact. And now, for those of you who are new to this channel, I would like to share that whatever information you are getting here, it is raw and unedited. While the vast majority of YouTube, you will see scripted material, which is edited to death. And the content has gone through, like combed through several times. My channel is very different. Unfortunately, I do not have the time to write scripts, and I do not even have the time to listen to those videos that I make before I upload them. So and usually, unfortunately, I'm not a time millionaire. I also have a daytime job and an extremely busy daytime life. I mean, busy life otherwise. So I don't get the chance to listen to how my videos turn out, and I respectfully depend on your comments for clarification. So that's why some of my videos you will find that, oh, that was a stroke of genius, but sometimes my videos turn out to be at the insufferable level. So it is not just you who can fall into the troll category, but also my videos can be well, not to the usual standards that I would like to have, or maybe you would like to have. And if that happens, please comment in the comment section. Just make sure that your post is respectful. Please knock before entering. Don't break down the door as a means of saying hello, because your post sets the tone. So when you post a comment, if you post in a snarky, upsetting, disrespectful way, then you are inviting a snarky, upsetting, disrespectful response. And I am unwilling to play this game. When this happens, I am contacting YouTube and let YouTube troll with this very, very upsetting attitude that unfortunately cannot be resolved on my part. And simply because when someone, like breaks into my house, so to say, on YouTube, then that person will be not amenable for reason. So I have noticed this before when I get these troll attacks or crusader attacks or snarky attacks. Then these people are not interested in meaningful communication, and they want to, most often they want to escalate it. And yeah, so that's it. So if you have received this video as a link in response to your communication, to your comment, then I ask you to be respectful. So if no respect, there is no channel access. It means the user will be reported to YouTube, and if necessary, then the access to the channel will be denied. I ask everyone that your comments are beneficial. So for example, if you have problems with my content, don't just say your channel sucks and János, you should do something else and give me advice on what else I could do with my life, but instead name it specifically, what you found a problem with, what was incorrect, and give me the chance to address it, and don't give me a chance to treat you as an internet troll. So yes, be very specific with your criticism. I really welcome when there is a critical observation, but when you do it, list the facts and do not insinuate, and do not behave inappropriately using a language that is really shameful for you. Because what people forget to realize is when they post these trolling comments, then whatever they have problem with is less than the problem they are causing, and it's a nuisance to everyone who reads it. So thank you for being respectful and being mindful. And just reminder, we have no tolerance for abuse. There is no excuse for abuse. Even if you feel upset or you feel happy, just bring your A game, and then we can return your effort. So thank you very much for joining my channel, for being here, for suffering through this internet troll attack advisory comment session, and have an amazing, wonderful day. Bye bye.